In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag and filter on Squarespace Enterprise. By the end, you'll know how to navigate your account dashboard, use the built-in filters to quickly find what you need, create and manage tags for consistent organization, and apply those tags to your items so everything stays easy to search and maintain. Start by heading to your Squarespace account dashboard. If you're not already signed in, sign in with the account that has the right permissions for your organization. Once you're in, click Dashboard to open the Enterprise workspace. From here, locate the site or area you want to manage and click View. This takes you into the context where your list of items, such as users, sites, or assets, can be sorted and filtered. At the top of your list, get familiar with the available filters and sort controls. Click Name First to sort the list alphabetically, which is a quick way to find a specific entry if you know its title. Next, switch to Tags to view or filter by the labels you'll be creating in a moment. Move over to Domain to narrow results by the site's web address, which is handy if you manage multiple domains. Then click Role to focus on permission levels, such as admin or contributor, which is especially useful for auditing access. Finally, return to Tags so you're ready to set up the tagging system that will power your filtering. Now let's create a couple of tags to use across your items. Open Manage Tags. In the tag field, type New. This is just a simple example tag name. Use whatever naming convention fits your team, like status, department, or lifecycle stage. Click Create New Tag to add it to your library. Keep tag names short, consistent, and clear so they're easy to scan later. When that's saved, close the Tag Manager to return to your list. Open Manage Tags again so we can create a second tag for contrast. Type Old, then click Create New Tag. Having both new and old available will help demonstrate filtering by different states. Consistency matters here too. Decide on singular or plural forms and stick with them so filters behave predictably as your library grows. If you ever create a tag you don't want to keep, you can clean it up right away. Type New One in the tag field to stage a temporary example. Open the three-dot menu next to that tag. You'll see options like Edit for renaming and Delete for removal. Choose Delete to remove the tag you don't need, then confirm Delete in the dialog. This ensures your tag library stays lean and meaningful. When you're finished tidying up, close the Tag Manager to go back to your items. With your tags in place, let's apply them. Select the item you want to label and click Add Tags. Choose the tag New to attach it. You'll see it appear with the item, making it filterable by that label. If you want to add multiple tags, you can do that in separate passes. Click Add Tags again and select the tag Old. Applying more than one tag lets you combine filters later for powerful, precise searches. If you ever apply a tag by mistake, just return to the tag selector and remove it. Keeping tags accurate is key to making your filters truly useful. That's the full loop. You navigated to the account dashboard, opened the workspace, explored filters for name, tags, domain, and role, created and curated your tag library using Manage Tags, removed an unwanted tag via the three-dot menu and Delete, and then applied tags to an item with Add Tags. From here, you can quickly filter your lists by the tags you've set, mix filters with roles or domains for deeper insights, and keep everything organized as your catalog grows. Establish a simple naming standard, review tags periodically, and apply them consistently across your content and users. Do that, and your Squarespace Enterprise environment will stay searchable, scalable, and easy for the whole team to use.